Pardon?
You think we can swap out my kidney bills in 15 minutes or it'll take too long?
Sure.
You think?
Probably.
I look like I drive a Subi, huh?
Yeah.
You really?
He looks like a screwdriver or a really old, like, Honda Civic kind of thing.
Yeah, I can see that. Dripped out a Subi.
I'm gonna open my garage.
Two hours later.
That's upside down anyway, but.
It's like a 30-minute drive, eh?
What, to Carling?
Oh, no. Sorry, I forgot it's Carling. No. Your face.
They have no value, but it's still good to
People were
have.
selling it for like 120 bucks.
No way.
Yeah, I was about to buy a pair from Facebook Marketplace.
Well, still don't ruin them. Bro. Oh, okay. Get him ripping it. No speeding, okay? No speeding. Oh, look, it's fucking. Oh, it's fucking. Oh. Alright, you're doing a launch?
Damn, this.
Ooh. What's going on right now? Is this a race? This is the longest light ever.
Yeah, this is so anticlimactic.
What?
No.
I'm not gonna rip it too hard. And you're just don't spin out. Damn, I'm nervous. I got two three-wheel drive cars on my right and on my left.
Is this all-wheel drive?
This is all-wheel drive.
Oh shit.
That's as far as I go. Can we not just park right here?
Just follow. Oh, he's asking.
Oh, I know. That's why I wonder. I really want to just like start building.
Look at the art.
Jen, they have your card. Yeah. Oh, he loves it. I would.
Me too.
I want this so bad.
Look at this. This is sick as fuck.
Just look how beautiful this is.
It's a.
It's just like that. Flash on. Flash on. guys, nuts. This is so fucking oh my god. It's so, yo, I might have to leave, bro. It's so fucking.
It is. Look,
Oh, there we go.
Up there, I'll tell you before.
Hey, hey, cutie. I wanna see you drive off.
Wait, let me.
Right, you got it, bro. Do it. Oh, there we go. Now I'm recording.
Covering.
No, I'm not. I wonder if I was recording this whole time. I might have.
No, you were just taking a bunch of photos.
No, I haven't taken a single photo.
Capturing the moment in his brain.
Oh fuck. Tight grip. Tight grip. Oi, 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 oi.
Oi, oi, oi.
Oi, 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 oi. I really like the Porsche. I know. I actually absolutely love this car. This is like a dream car for me.
Lamborghini right there. Lamborghini, shoot that, please, 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 please.
You gotta admit though, this is just gorgeous.
Do a backflip.
You go do a backflip.
Do a backflip. Do a backflip.
Especially when it goes through big content, you'd be like, we recorded nothing.
Hey, yo, look at the dog. Look at that cutie.
Arcade. Dog.
Alright, let's go check out the E30 because that's Josh's next BMW.
Coach of
Yo, Josh, tell me about your new car.
my new Honda ZR1.
This is Josh's next car, his project car. He's gonna get an E30. He already committed. He already told me he's gonna get one. Isn't that right, Josh?
This is my Honda.
Josh is gonna get one of these.
My Honda Civic ZR1. It's very nice.
So what do you see? Underglow like this in my car.
Yeah, it looked nice.
I want to get that one box, right?
Yeah, got just a 6 series. Yeah? Nobody can drive in that
There's two of them! Yo, what the fuck? I just saw this car. It's purple gate.
This guy's got an RPG. What the fuck? Oh shit.
It's got dynamite on top of it. That can't be legal. That can't be legal.
That guy's an RPG.
Not the RCXD.
Oh, look, look. This guy has an RPG in his hand. Look at that.
What?
Oh shit!
Oh no!
Oh! Get him, get him, get him!
Get his ass, get his little ass. Oh shit!
I knew!
So now I kind of want to get one.
What do you think of that?
I like that. I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared.
Woo. It's like token off that biker. Don't have a dead bunny on her tail.
Because my last thought was sucks about life. And I just completely lost sight of it. Because we just a black car. Sucks? The roll, yo, the roll. It's four-wheel drive, bro. It's all-wheel drive.
Your turn!
Oh, chill.
Do it in reverse. Do it in reverse.
No.
Yeah.
Do rollback! Do rollback! Woo! Your turn! I don't think so.
It was literally a Ford.
Woo!
Hey, you really need it?
Look, do you want to try?
No. Huh?
You want to try?
It won't go on pavement. I'm so certain of it.
It did like only on turns, but I can't.
Yeah, on turns only.
You have to feel like you really have to crank it.
Don't stop it there. Did he stop?
I'd beat Josh again. It was easy. His car's really slow, so it wasn't that hard. I don't like it.
I couldn't do it. Yeah, I thought you said it was a 60-40 split. It is. But I don't think I like boosted it enough.